Hey guys, what up, wagwan? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to create this simple subtle eyeshadow look. So first I'm gonna start off with concealer. I'm using that, applying to the eyelid as eyeshadow base. So I want this to be tacky, want something to hold the eyeshadows onto, so that's why I'm using the concealer. And then the first shade I'm gonna use is this. It's not purple, it's more like mauve, and it's a deep mauve shade, and I'm using that to go in the crease, to just carve out the crease the way I want it. By the way, I am using eyeshadows from the Coastal Scents Revealed palette. So I'm just going in with small circular motions along with windshield wiper motions to just blend that color in the crease. And then around the edge, I'm just taking a little lighter mauve shade to just blend out the edge. It doesn't look lighter, but trust me, it is. I forgot to film showing you all the palette and the shades that I was using, but trust me on this. Just trust the process. This is a lighter one that I'm using to blend out the edge, and I'm just blending. So I'm gonna go back in with a deeper shade in the crease area just to deepen the shade. And I did the same thing on both eyes. Of course, can the one eye and the other eye look different? That not gonna work around here, so we did both eyes so they can match. So I'm gonna take the same concealer I used as the base, and I'm just using that to cut the crease area. And I have done that off camera, and I'm just blending the first mauve shade in the outer V. So I'm just going in with the same shade, blending in the outer V just to deepen that outer V, and that's the kind of look that I'm going for, kind of smoky. And I'm taking a similar shade to just, it's similar but a little bit lighter than the dark one I used at the end of the eye. For the inner corner of the eye and on the lid, halfway on the lid, I'm taking a shimmery shade that will make the eye pop. I really loved how this looked on the eye, how it came out. I'm just patting it on gently on the eye until I get the payoff that I'm looking for. As usual, thank you guys for joining me on my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted when I post new videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what y'all wait for? I have nice tutorials to share with you, and I would just love for you to give me your feedback and to share with your friends. So I'm just taking my time to finish up this eye look, and I'm putting a little bit of that shimmer along the brow bone just to give it a little bit of highlight. And then I took a e.l.f. eyeliner. It's in a pot, the gel eyeliner in black, and I just lined her eyes. And now it's time for lashes. You can't have a makeup look and you not wear lashes. It is not complete without lashes. So I've gone ahead and applied her lashes, and this is the final look, y'all. Let me know in the comments what you think. You can also let me know what other looks you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.